How to do SEO for websites step-by-step guide. Start with website setup. Make sure your website is mobile friendly. Use HTTPS, SSL certificate. Choose a fast hosting provider. Speed matters. Install an SEO plugin if you use WordPress like Yoast or Rank Math. Keyword research, finding what people search. Use free tools like Ubersuggest, Google Keyword Planner, Answer the Public. Find keywords related to your topic. Example, best coffee in Lahore. Choose keywords with low competition plus good search volume. On-page SEO, optimizing your pages. For each page post, add keyword in Title 1. Use keyword in URL, e.g. yoursite.com/bestcoffeelahore. Write meta description, short summary with keywords. Use headings, H2, H3 with keywords. Add images with alt text. Describe the image. Internal linking, link to other pages on your site. Content creation. Write content that answers questions your audience searches. Example, if your site is about fitness, how to lose belly fat in 30 days. Make your content easy to read, short paragraphs, bullet points. Unique, don't copy from others. Helpful, step-by-step guides, FAQs. Off-page SEO, building authority. Get backlinks from other websites. Write guest posts. List your website in directories, Google Business Profile, Yelp, etc. Share on social media. Collaborate with influencers, bloggers. More backlinks equals more trust from Google. Technical SEO. Improve site speed. Use tools like GTmetrix, PageSpeed Insights. Create XML sitemap and submit to Google Search Console. Fix broken links, 4 and 4 errors. Use clean website structure, easy menus, categories. Track and improve. Use Google Analytics to check visitors. Use Google Search Console to see how your site ranks. Update old content every 2 to 3 months. Keep creating new useful content. So in short, doing SEO for a website means 1. Make your website technically strong, fast, mobile, secure. 2. Find the right keywords your audience is searching. 3. Optimize content with those keywords. 4. Build backlinks and share your site. 5. Track results and improve continuously. Now you know how to do SEO step by step. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start SEO today. Remember, SEO is a journey, not a one-time task. With the right keywords, quality content, and consistency, your website will grow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel for more practical guides. See you in the next video.